Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Let me discuss about that Paintshop website using Angular and JSON data. Move on to the abstract. The purpose of Angular Paintshop website with the JSON data project is fully work on Angular project. Moving this Angular Paintshop site project focus main on the Paintshop side of the things, such as online purchasing and similar activities. In addition, the system shows all product listing together where they associate pricing. Additionally, the system enable for management of product branding. This project is separated into two sections: administration can add product via JSON data, customer service. In order to perform various actions in web application, the customer must first register, and a customer may search for goods and add the things in their basket. Each product has its own description, features, and photo counts. When it comes to checkout process, the customer can control his or her order from the account area once he or she has completed the checkout process. This is the flow diagram for Paintshop. User can enter the website. First of all, see the dashboard and register that account. Personal information, register that account and view the product and purchase the product and add to cart. Successfully, the add to cart is received from alert message, and move on to the logout page. This is the screenshot for Paintshop UI home dashboard. This is the output page for Paintshop using Angular and JSON data. This is I replace in header. This is the banner page. This is the dashboard component. This one is footer. Move on to the contact page. Given the details using a name, email, and message. And then after move on to the about us page. I contact us. What are the details are given in it. So this one is product page. I given a drop down page components. This one is sign up page. Please enter your username and given a password. Sign up, move on to the sign in page. Please enter your email ID and password. Slogan, move on to the home page. You can see there is no any refresh that load page. So once I click the contact us page, there is no refresh in that search engine UI. So there is a single used SAP application, single page application. So add to cart, move to the add to cart. I add something. Please view the cart. Delete it. Save for later. Delete it. Check. This is one checkout process. I given a lot for successfully check out that order. Ensuring the performance analysis in desktop or any other device like mobile phone tab. I inspected and view it. This is for iPhone 12 Pro and modified it. Samsung Galaxy 8 home page, contact us page, and about page, and move on to that any other iPod ears. So full and full responsive for Angular application. Thank you.